Hello friends, I think that language plays a very important role in the growth of your talent, and right now the international language is English language. You know that word has become the global village. We are not limited to one area or place, because right now we have to face challenges of international level. So we should make ourselves according to the international era. Right now, most of the students or people are curious to learn the English language, but most of fail to learn the English language. What is the reason why they fail? Because they fail, they don't have the interest to learn the English language. They was just see others speaking the English language and willing to improve their language. When they see that other person is speaking very fluent English language, they think that I can also speak the good English. This is good, but just thinking is not enough. You will have to do lot of hard work, and learning English I think is a difficult task. You can't learn in some days. It takes time to learn the English language. Some people are claiming that learn English in 1 month. This is not correct. I think it takes years. If you are a new, if you have learnt the language on basic level, then you can improve your English on advanced level. Then you can improve in short time. Otherwise, if you are a beginner and you are starting right now, then I think that it will take a lot of time. So for learning anything, the most and important thing is that you should be dedicated towards that thing. If you are not interested, such as you are willing to do some kind of business, sometimes you see others are doing very good business. Some people are running some kind of general store and they are earning good livelihood. By seeing others or by seeing them, you also start a general store near to them, but your general store is not running good. That person's general store is running good. I think it does not mean that the business which the other person is doing well, you will also do the well, because perhaps he might have good experience than you, or he has built the relationship with the masses. You are new, you will take the time, but when you start your business, after some time you think that your business is not running well, then you quit. I think quitting is not a solution. You will have to do consistent work and have patience. If you are not patient kind of, if you not have the patience, you are impatient kind of person, then I think that things would become difficult for you to achieve. Same is the situation with the English language. When you see others are speaking good English language and you are willing to speak just like them in some days, this is not easy. I think that it takes years to speak fluent English language if you are beginner. And some people are worried about the age, that I am older right now. If I start learning English language, I would not be able to improve language. They are correct in some way, and in some way they are wrong. Correct, if they are interested, curious to learn the English language, they can learn. But if they are busy in other things, then I think they would not get the time or inspiration to learn this language. Then this will become difficult for them. For improving and learning English language, I think that you should have great talent and set a goal in front of you, that why you are learning this language. What will you do after learning this language? There must be a goal in front of you. and for achieving that goal you will do the hard work. Otherwise you will lack the interest, and soon you will quit. And if you don't have the talent to learn the international language, this is the common language, then you have other opportunities. Learn your national language. There are some other local dialects or languages in your countries besides national language, because each and every province has its own language, such as in for example in India there are so many states, and each state has its own language and dialects. So for some people of those states don't know the languages of other states, then they will have to use the common language, and the common language there is their national language. And some people even don't know the national language. When they don't know the national language, then the international common language, that is the English language. If you know the international common language, then you can communicate with the help of that language with your states, with the different kinds of people. When you would know the international language, as I am talking about the English language, this will help you a lot, because mostly stuff on social media is in English language. If you want to read some information about the world, you would first of all find the things in English language, then in other languages. So if you want to get more knowledge about the world, then I think that you should work on your English language. You should try to improve this language, because this will help you to grow your talent. Otherwise, if your business or your talent is limited to your own area, own countries, then you have the option to learn the languages of your own countries. You can learn the local languages that are easy. By listening you can learn, because listening is very important power, you know. When you would listen, then you would able to speak. As I told you in my some previous videos, that babies first they listen, then they try to speak, and after that they learn how to read or write. So I think that listening is very important. If you have the listening power, you can listen other languages, then slowly, gradually, I think you would improve your speaking skills. For speaking, listening is very necessary. So I suggest you that if you have the talent, if you have any kind of interest to grow your business or talent on international level, then learn English language. Otherwise, there is a lot of options for you at your own country. You can learn national language. Besides national language, there are local languages of different states. You can improve those languages. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.